Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. For this video it's going to be a little bit different. I am going to be doing one of the first mods that I've been wanting to do for a very long time. This look was actually inspired by most of the Euro guys, but basically it's a debadged grill if you've seen by the thumbnail. Basically I'm working on my Seat Leon Cupra 2008 in Fury Black. I'm going from a stock OEM front grill to a debadged grill. I did purchase this pot off of Alibaba.com, which is a international website where they do sell a lot of pretty nice stuff at cheap prices. The only problem I did have was waiting about 3 months for the pot, but it eventually did come, and I did fit it on the car, and it looks amazing. It looks sick. All right. After this little introduction, you are going to be seeing most of a time lapse of me inserting this grill onto the vehicle. That's going to be me stripping the front bumper off completely because I do want to do a proper job. It is actually a little bit difficult if you do leave the bumper on, so I'm just going to completely strip the whole front end off. Disconnect the fog lights and the windscreen washer pipes, and then I'm going to install the front grille and replace it. Most of this video is going to be time-lapse, so please bear with me. It is quite a long process, but I do like to do things properly and thoroughly. So once again, if you do like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Thank you. You know?
Debadged. Okay, new one there. Same thing.